You know what, guys?
What?
Are you supposed to say something?
No. I just want to sit here and smile.
Huh? Wait. She just broke
We
something.
need to go take pictures on Friday.
What?
We need to go take pictures on Friday.
What?
We need to go take pictures on Friday.
What?
Wah, wah, wah.
Who likes my posters?
Me.
Not enough Bill.
Tom makes it look really sexy.
You know, I really like this picture of Bill though. His hands. I would have to feel.
See.
Ooh, I like that big poster of Tom right there.
Oh, I have another one with him playing a guitar, but yeah, I was afraid to. Oh my god, I didn't know trouble.
Well, can you give it to the needy? Because you know I don't have any posters.
I am the needy. I am the needy.
No. I'm the needy. I don't have any posters.
The metal thing won't stay. Just
I don't have not one. And
Breaking my
that,
Irene stuff.
doesn't he almost look like Native American in that picture?
He does. That's why I'm like sexy ass.
I mean, that thing doesn't stay, does it?
You know, I'll leave it.
So, freaking.
What in the...
Hello. It's that one over there. The man stealer. That's my baby cousins.
Irene recording everybody.
So it's our first day with Irina.
Uh-huh.
And
Irene,
it's
what
been
is your
freaking
first
awesome.
impression of meeting us?
Damn, she's tall and damn, she's short.
Oh,
Yeah, I said it.
I was like,
Oh my god, it's a rat. Christine.
What?
How old are you?
6.5.
That thing doesn't move. Oh my god, it died. You killed my rat.
that's not funny. My little brother actually did kill my rat.
Care to explain?
Yeah, okay, I had this hamster, right? And my hamster was the freaking bomb. And then my brother got jealous of my hamster, so he killed it.
Interesting.
Are you really recording this?
No, it was a
Why? I
thing.
shouldn't?
No. Why would you have a rat
Why?
as a pet?
Why?
It was a hamster.
Rat.
Hamster. Hamster. Just because they both rodents don't mean that it was a rat. No.
She's like cracking up on the side.
No, equally as disgusting.
That's like
Next
saying
topic. Bill's sexy.
Tom's better.
Whatever.
All in favor say aye. Aye.
Y'all in the comments, okay?
Ooh,
That
did she
doesn't
raise her
count.
hand? You better
I'm
not raise your
disqualified.
hand.
Tell him Bill is sexier.
9.
She's a tongue girl.
You make me sick.
Ah,
It's all her fault.
and Daje's not here to save you.
What's Daja's
It's
number?
3 against 2.
What's
That
Daja's
doesn't
number?
work.
Where's she at?
You don't need to know that.
That's just bull. What? I got her MySpace. That's okay.
You're gonna get on a computer tomorrow, only if I want to.
Oh yeah?
Let you get on.
Daja, if you ever see this on a video, they are freakers, okay? They're picking on me because
Tom, freaking
I have no one
hey.
else to help me defend myself.
Anyways,
They're a bunch of Tommy Tars
Tom's
who are
hot.
blind
Tom's
and
hot.
can't see. That Bill's
Tom, we
sexier.
love you.
Where's that?
We love
Where's the
you.
phone? I mean, where's the fan book?
Fan book at my grandma's house. Why? Is it gonna rain? Oh no, see? You can hear the plane. Guys, look at my neighborhood.
Dude, people's gonna see.
Yeah, so I live at 20.
You got to send Tom a video when you
Why not?
We're still going to go see what's it called, Friday?
Who? Who are we
At
seeing?
Coney Island? Oh, no.
What are we
Good Morning
seeing?
America?
Who are we seeing?
Black
Brittany?
Eyed Peas.
Why are they black?
I don't know.
Why do the peas have eyes?
Why do
They're
they
gonna go
have
on stage
eyes?
and be like, pump it, louder,
Rock
pump
that
it.
body. Come on, rock
I'm
that
pretty
body.
sure-
And then I'm gonna be like,
Rock that body. Come on, rock that body.
and then what's the Indian one? The Indian one's name?
What's his
The
name?
long hair?
Tobacco?
Taboo. Tobacco. Where'd you get
Taboo, how
tobacco?
you doing, Taboo?
I think I'm gonna want some tobacco.
I'm recording.
The sad thing is, he makes tobacco look really good.
You-
That man there,
Oh, God.
he makes tobacco look sexy.
Another
He does, you do.
unnecessary comment
I mean,
about
you should
Tom
want right here.
Collins.
You should, I did.
I should.
Your mom's gonna pull it right off.
She'd be like, what is that? Don't explain.
And then you see her gushing blood. You're like,
Mom, but
I don't care.
yeah, Dobby screwed up. Okay, so bye.
Adios.